2. Because when you cut something in half, grade ones, there are 2 pieces. Okay? So look over here at this bubble thing. So our top number is the part. So how many pieces we're looking at. The bottom number is the whole thing. So the total number of pieces. Okay? So if I have a circle, can everyone see this? If I have a circle and it's cut into 4s, and I shade in 2 4s, does anybody have any idea how I would write that out? Jordan Beaky? 1 over 4? Is there anything wrong with that? What do we think? Is that how we write 2 4ths? Jordan, what do you think?
You put 2 there.
Where?
Under.
Under here?
What's
I mean,
beside it?
If we're talking in 4ths.
Like beside.
Beside it? Like here?
Mm-hmm.
Not quite. Matthew?
Like shade in the other 2.
Shade in the other 2?
Mm-hmm.
Not quite. That's shading in the whole thing.
I mean shade in one of them.
One of them? One of them would be 1/4, but I want to know how to write in 2 4ths.
Oh, I know.
Jordan Beaky, you want to fix your answer?
2 on the top.
2 on the top, yes. So that would be 2 4ths. So on the top number is how many parts you're shading in, or how many pieces of pizza you're taking from the pizza. Whatever terms you want to put it in, the top number is the part. So I have 2 parts colored in. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah? So there's 2 parts colored in, but altogether, how many parts are there, Willow? 4. So the whole thing, all the parts, the total number goes on the bottom. Okay. Okay, so today we're talking about 4ths. So this is how we obviously write 1/4. So 1 of the 4 pieces. Got it? Are we good with that? How do we feel about that, grade ones? Give me the thumbs up, thumbs to the side, thumbs down. How do we feel about 1/4? Megan, Weston, I'm not sure why you're under your desk right now, my friend. Okay. Is there another pencil that you could borrow from someone?
Weston.
Okay, a little bit of side to side.
Down. I have up,
Down.
Up, down.
Okay, well, let's practice this. So, these are 3 shapes I have cut into 4 equal parts. Okay, they're all equal. I would like a volunteer to come up and shade in 1/4 of this circle. 1/4 of this circle. Rebecca, come on up.
Okay, I do it.
Oh, is that one not working? Are you going to try to do that one?
Here's the Rebecca Brown.
Okay, you can do it a little just scribbly if you want. Doesn't have to be perfect. That's good. Looks good to me. All right, grade ones. Does that look like 1/4? Yep. That is 1 of the 4 pieces colored in. Okay, so the part goes on top, and the whole thing goes on the bottom. So 1 of the 4 pieces. I want somebody to come up, and on the square, I want you to shade in 2/4 of the square. 2/4. Abe, come on up. 2/4.
Easy.
All right. Show us how easy it is then. Done. I'll take the marker.
What's my marker?
Thank you, my friend. Do we agree, grade 1?
Yeah.
Okay, so how would I write 2/4 then? How would I write it, Scarlett?
A 2 and then a 1 and then a 4.
A 2, a line, and a 4. Do we agree, grade 1?
Yeah.
Yes, so that is 2/4. 2 pieces, 2 parts are colored in, but all together, the whole thing has 4 parts. Now we're going to up it a little bit. Dawson, I want you to come up, and I want you to shade in 3/4.
Go do a check.
3/4.
What a scribble. A waste for?
Yeah, the marker's a little, just do the best you can. All right, 1, 2, 3.
No.
All right.
Bad.
Grade 1, do we agree?
No, because it has an X. I put down my market.
1, 2, 3. Beautiful. So how would I write it? Here's how I write it. I would write 2/4, 3/4. Why would I write in 3, Tirza?
Because we already did blend and we already did
We are going in order, yes, but why do we know that we put a 3 on top, even if we didn't do this?
because we colored in 3.
Yes, we colored in 3 parts, or 3 pieces.
And can I do one?
Maybe on the next one. We'll see. All right, now I would like to go over shapes that are equally divided and unequally divided. So we always need to make sure that we are dividing in what parts? Parts that are different sizes or parts that are the same size? Willow?
Hopes that are equal.
Yeah, parts that are equal. We always have to cut it up into equal parts. Just try to remember. Try to think of you and your siblings. Okay, if I'm going to cut this cookie up for all of us to share, we would all want it to be equal, right? What is fair? You can think of the word fair. That might help too. So I would like, I'm going to look for a volunteer. I would like Sebastian to come on up and circle the circle that is divided into equal parts.
That.
Beautiful. Now, Sebastian, I would like you to shade in 2/4 of that circle. Beautiful. Now, I would like you to write out 2/4. How does that look, grade 1?
Terrible.
Good. 2 thumbs up for Sebastian. Sebastian, can I have the marker back on? Oh, no. Oh, no, it's okay. No worries. I would like another volunteer to come on up. Bronwyn, you look ready. I would like you to come on up and circle the diamond that, all right, you're prepared. Equal parts. Now, I would like you to shade in 3/4. Doesn't have to be perfect, my friend. 3/4. Quicker, Bronwyn. Quicker, quicker.
Make her scribble.
Here, do you want to use this marker?
No. I'm gonna
Here, you can do a little scribbly. I think that marker is dying a little bit. I'll reinforce it a little bit.
bill.
Now, write out 3/4. Beautiful. I'm just going to trace over it so we can all see. All right. Thank you, Bronwyn. How does that look, grade 1? 3/4.
Okay.
All right, I need another volunteer. Let's see. Scarlet, I would like you to come on up and see those blue rectangles on the bottom? I would like you to circle the one that is divided into equal parts. So, Scarlet, if you and your mom, dad, and sister were sharing this and it was a pan of brownies, would it be fair if you got this one, your sister got this one, and your mom and dad got those ones? Would it be fair? They don't even care, but if we wanted to divide equally, would that be fair? No. So this one is not divided into equal parts. So which one is divided into equal parts? They're all the same size. Very good. Now I would like you to shade in 1/4 of that. Just your brownie. Just 1/4. You can scribble. I know, but this is gonna take forever. So I need you to shade it in quickly, please.
It's gonna take years.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Okay, I'll roll the
1.
marker on the ground.
Now I would like you to write out 1/4. What does 1/4 look like? 1/4. So you have one part shaded, but how many pieces altogether are there? Beautiful. Grade 1, what do you think? Good? Good. All right, Jordan S., I would like you to come on up. Circle the square that is divided into equal parts. I would like you to shade in 3/4. I would like you, I would now like you to shade in 3/4. Good job. Good job. And I would like you to write 3/4 for me. Beautiful. Thank you, Jordan. All right, grade 1s, how are we feeling about fourths? Are we feeling pretty okay about it? Some people are still a little unsure. Grade 1s, eyes up here. I'm not sure how everyone's looking down. Eyes up. How are we feeling about fourths? Here's up. Meh. You want to do one practice one? Okay.
100.
All right, Tirza, come on up and circle the shape that has been cut up into 4 equal parts. Come on up. Yep. Which one has been cut up into 4 equal parts? What? We don't all need to do one. But here's the thumb wasn't looking too upwards. All right. Here's, I want you to fill in 2/4 of that. Quickly, quickly.
3.
2/4, I said.
1.
2/4. So how many is that? 1? Yep, 1. Quickly, quickly. 3, 2, 1. Finish. All right. Now I want you to write 3/4 for me, Tirza. Or 2/4, sorry. Sorry. That was my bad. I want you to write out 2/4. Beautiful. 2/4. Beautiful. Nice start. Alrighty, grade 1s. So, everyone look at your math book. So again, you see these pictures on top? We're not doing anything with these. But these pictures just show us where we can see fourths in everyday life. Yes, Willow?
That blue marble kind of looks like my blue marble.
Oh, really? Alright. Yeah, then maybe we're the same one. Oh, it is your marker?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Yes, is that?
Mine's ripped because for some reason it's wet.
No worries. All right. So, again, this is a lot like yesterday and the day before. Number one. So number one doesn't start till the bottom. Okay, so up here in this square, so you have your pictures of how we see fourths in everyday life, and then we jump down, and each square shows you 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4 colored in. Okay, and then number 1, 2, and 3 start all the way at the bottom. Okay, so there is like a fruit pie, waffles, and
A gum.
a shell.
No, that's not a shell.
Or it looks like a sand dollar or something.
No, it's a sea urchin skeleton.
Okay. So it says draw lines to divide each shape into fourths. So you're going to draw, it doesn't mean you're going to draw 4 lines, okay, because that was happening a lot yesterday. It means you're going to divide each shape up into 4 pieces. Understood? All right, flip the page. Page 230 on number 4, it says, draw a smiley face under the kite that shows only 1/4 colored. Okay, 1/4, and it's written out in words. So maybe, if it's easier for you, you can read 1/4 and try to write it out in numbers. Okay, so that's up to you. Number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 say, circle the fraction that shows the colored part. So every single shape, it's a certain part is colored, okay? Now, they're not all fourths. Some of this is review. Some will be halves, and some will be thirds, okay? So make sure to count up all of the parts in each shape. Dawson, are you paying attention? Make sure to count up all the parts. So in number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, so that would be fourths because there are 4 parts, okay? And then you are going to circle the answer. So for number 5, is it 2/4 or 3/4 that are shaded in yellow? Jordan Beakey.
3/4.
3/4, yep, so you will circle 3/4, okay? So you will do that all the way up to number 10. And then number 11 says circle the picture that shows the smaller fraction. So in the first rectangle, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's in fourths. And the second one is 1, 2, 3. That one's in thirds. But which one shows the smaller fraction? Is 2/4 smaller or larger than 2/3? So you can look at the picture. You can figure out kind of which one is bigger and which one is smaller just by looking at it. Are we good, grade 1? Do we understand what we're doing today in math?
No. Yeah.
Okay, I will come and re-explain to you. Bronwyn,
This is what I don't know.
just look at it.
I don't understand anything. I don't understand everything.
You don't understand everything?
I don't understand like these two and stuff.
Okay, so work on the ones that you do understand. Put a little star beside what you don't understand, and then I will come around and try to answer your question. Again, grade 1, I'm really liking how you guys can keep your bottoms planted all class. So I'm going to flip, I'm going to let this sand run out, and then I'm going to flip it for the 10-minute mark, and I don't want anybody out of their seats coming to me. I want you to work really hard for the next 10 minutes. It's okay if you have questions, you can put your hand up, but if I'm busy working with somebody else, what can you do, grade 1? Jordan Beakey? Putting your hand up? Yep. But what if I'm working with Tirza and you need my attention, Jordan Beakey, but I'm not available to come to you right away?
Raise your hand.
You can raise your hand, yep. And what else? Sure, yep, you could also do that. Yep, Willow?
You can circle the thing that you need help on.
You can what?
You can circle the thing that you need help on.
Yep, you can
With
circle.
doll lighting.
Yep. And then you can go to a different question, right? Yep. You can always come back. Understood?
Understood.
Okay, I'm going to flip the timer.